What's going on, guys? Derek from Legendary here. This is going to be a quick one. I just wanted to dive into notes a little deeper and give you some examples of things you might want to put here for notes. So especially if people are using VAs and stuff like that, it's helpful to have notes based on previous conversations or phone calls or any kind of interactions with the client. So what you could put here, and these will be viewable across Messenger as well as the expanded extension here. I put a little example below, but one thing you might want is phone number. So you could put their phone number here. There we go. Another one could be email. You could have follow-up reminders here for the next time you need to touch base. Right? And you could put product info, billing info, and any other info that might be useful when you go back to view the contact. So again, if I refresh this page, those notes will be active in here. I can reorder these, so anyone with access to Genius Messenger CRM could see these notes. You can obviously move important ones to the top, leave other ones at the bottom. If you do want to rearrange those, what you can do is go into your friends list and click the add note button, and that's where those will be in here. So just a quick one on notes. If you guys have any questions about notes, feel free to reach out to support. Otherwise, I'll do one final video on using the follow-up notifications and webhooks, and then we'll wrap this up and get you guys going on Genius Connector. So that being said, hope you've enjoyed this series so far and you know how to use Genius Messenger CRM to the fullest extent possible. Catch you on the next video.